The Javanese proverb Ngarso Sung Tulodo teaches us about the importance of thinking positively and optimistically in facing life. These words come from the Javanese language, which means from above to guide downwards. In the context of life, this proverb shows the importance of taking the right and positive attitude in facing life. First of all, thinking positively and optimistically will help us see life from a different perspective. When we think positively, we will focus more on solutions than problems. We will find ways to overcome every challenge and obstacle encountered, and strive to build a better future. In this case, Ngarso Sung Tulodo teaches us not to think too much about the problems that occur, but to focus more on solving them. Second, positive and optimistic thinking will help us avoid feelings of hopelessness and excessive anxiety. When we think negatively and are pessimistic, we tend to find it difficult to see the opportunities that are available. We also tend to feel hopeless and easily worry. Conversely, when we think positively, it will be easier for us to see the opportunities and potential that are around us. And it will be easier for us to feel calm and confident in dealing with any situation. Third, positive and optimistic thinking will help us create better relationships with others. When we think positively, we tend to get along and work with others more easily. We are also easier to forgive the mistakes and shortcomings of others, and more easily appreciate them. This will help us build better and more harmonious relationships with the people around us. Fourth, positive and optimistic thinking will also help us achieve better life goals. When we think positively, we tend to have greater motivation to achieve our goals. It's also easier for us to see the potential and opportunities around us, so we can take the right actions to achieve our goals. Fifth, positive and optimistic thinking will help us build greater self-confidence. When we think positively, we tend to be more confident in making decisions and acting. It's also easier for us to see our own abilities and strengths, so we can optimize our potential. Sixth, positive and optimistic thinking will also help us deal with difficult situations better. When we think positively, we tend to more easily take the right actions to overcome difficult situations. Seventh, positive and optimistic thinking will also help us develop a greater sense of gratitude towards life. When we think positively, it's easier for us to see the good side of every situation and appreciate what we have right now. We are also more grateful for everything that has been given to us. Eighth, positive and optimistic thinking will help us improve our overall quality of life. When we think positively, we tend to be happier and feel more satisfied with our lives. This will help us improve the quality of our lives, both in terms of health, social relationships, and finances. Ninth, positive and optimistic thinking will also help us be more creative and innovative in dealing with problems. When we think positively, we tend to be more creative and think out of the box in finding solutions. This will help us find new ways to solve the problem at hand. Lastly, positive and optimistic thinking will also help us become a better person overall. When we think positively, we tend to feel happier and more grateful in life. This will help us become better individuals, who are always ready to help others and make a positive impact in the lives of those around us. In conclusion, Ngarso Sung Tulodo teaches us the importance of thinking positively and optimistically in facing life. By thinking positively, we can see the potential and opportunities that are around us, and take the right actions to achieve our goals. We also find it easier to get along and work with others, and improve our overall quality of life. Therefore, we must always remember this Javanese proverb and always try to think positively and optimistically in our life.